Alright, you're welcome back to class. Alright, today we're going to be learning how to multiply numbers on the number line. Yes, for our younger friends that are finding multiplication very difficult, number lines are another easy way to learn how to multiply your numbers with ease. Alright, now the first question is, how do we multiply 2 times 4? This can be done in two ways. It's either you multiply 2 in 4 steps, or you multiply 4 2 times. Whichever way you do it, you still arrive at the same answer. Now let's go. We're going to jump 2 steps, okay? That's like counting in twos. Alright, so we're going to move from 0 to 2. That's 1. Then from 2, I'm moving to the next number of 2, which is 4. Then 4 plus 2 is what? 6. And then 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we've successfully arrived at our answer as 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 groups of 2, right? In 4 different places. So that's why it's 2 times 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. And our answer is 8. We arrived at 8. Okay, we can also say if we want to multiply 4 times 2, that will be, we'll start from 0 and count 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, right? Then from 4, we'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. And then we'll still arrive at the same answer. That's 4 in 2 groups. Is that understood? Now let's move on to the next question, which is 7 times 2. What's 7 times 2? We're going to move 7 in 2 places. Alright, so now I'm going to count from 0 down to 7. 1, 2, 3. And when you're counting, you don't start from 0. You start from the next number after 0. Okay? And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the first group. Right? Now we'll count another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now, 7 times 2 equals what? 14. Okay? I hope this is working for our friends that are finding multiplication very difficult. Question 3 is 6 times 3. Now, we're going to move 6 into 3 groups, or 3 in 6 groups. Whichever the case may be, you still arrive at your answer, the same answer. Now, I'm going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3. Good. Now, 6 times 3 equals 18. We arrived at 18. Right. Now, the next question is 9 times 2. Okay, because we don't have enough space, we would have expanded this number line to probably 25 or 30. So whatever multiplication you come across with that has to do with answering them on number line, this is going to help you answer questions like that. Now, 9 times 2, we're going to count 9 in groups of 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is group 1. Good. Now moving on to the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the next group. Good. Now 9 times 2 equals 18 as well. Okay, we're moving on to the last question, which is 4 times 5. Now in this case, instead of moving 4 into groups of 5, I'm going to move 5 into groups of 4. Now let's see how this works. We're going to start counting from 1 and not 0, remember. But some persons do make the mistake of starting from 0. And when you start counting from 0, for 9 times 2, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you end at 8. You count another 9. You start from 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You end at 16. That will give you a wrong answer. So it's not done that way. You have to start counting from the number after 0, which is 1. Start counting from the number 1. But your number line will be drawn from 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Now we've done 5 times 4. 5 into 4 groups, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in groups of 5. So 5 in groups of 4 to give you what? 20. Our final answer is 20. Multiplication is very simple, most especially when you're doing it on number line. It's very easy, okay? So just keep practicing and you get to understand it better. I hope this helps for some of our friends that are finding multiplication difficult. Please like my video, leave a comment in the comment section. Do well to lastly subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. And also share my video, yes, to your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.